What's up, rail fans? NS-23G with 4,000 and WFRX 7 locomotives. This is gonna be very cool. I'm gonna clean my lens here. It's downpouring. Freaking downpouring, man. It is cold. I am freezing. And yeah, it is downpouring. Oh shoot. Of course, there's a raindrop. Oh shit. Alright guys. My camera. Oh, there it is. There's the WFRX 44. Dang. People who can count those locomotives. God bless them. 7 of them. There's 7. I don't know if I got a picture of the WFRX or not. Heck, I don't even know if my camera even got a photo of 4,000 or not. Now, it really doesn't matter if there's water on my lens, but what I do care about right now is my phone not being able to charge it. Guys, it is downpouring, man. Do you want proof if it's downpouring or not? There's proof. This is the first rail fanning in the rain for a heritage year. No, specialty year, whatever you call it. I don't care. For this train is Norfolk Southern 23G. 23G goes from Croxton, New Jersey to Chicago, Illinois. On this Sunday, December 17th, 2023 at freaking 8 o'clock p.m. In Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This is 16th Street. See you on the next video. Roll it and let's pray that my phone charges tonight. Alright, see you on the next video.